Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different kind of video for you guys. I have a collab with MsBlue Jewelry, which you see here, and they sent me some pieces for review. So I've had these in my possession for a while. I've had a chance to test them out and wear them, and I think I can give you guys a good review as of today. Blue Jewelry, they specialize in moissanite jewelry, which is a lab-created alternative to diamonds. So in this first box, I actually have 2 rings and a necklace to share with you guys. And then you guys, okay, I'm burning this pumpkin cupcake candle. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm sure Bath and Body Works did bring it back this fall, so I do recommend that. And then if you have not watched my review and unboxing, or my unboxing and first impressions of this clementine bag from the horse, I absolutely recommend checking that out as well. So let's get into this box. MsBlue Jewelry is currently running their Black Friday sale. So if you spend over $300, you will get 20% off. Otherwise, if you catch this outside of Black Friday, you see this video, you can also save 15% by using the discount code Ambition15. Again, that is Ambition15. And I will put all of the information for these pieces as well as the discount codes in the description box. So they do send you the packaging. They send you a box, they send you a gift bag for each item. You do have to put it together yourself. So things will come sealed up in like little jewelry bags. And you just put them in the box for presentation when you're ready. So in here, I have 2 rings. So this first one is a split shank cushion cut ring. And you guys, it is very pretty. It is very dainty. And I don't know about y'all, but I do really enjoy dainty feminine pieces. Sorry about the focus, you guys. I think the camera's a little confused. It doesn't know where to look. But this is beautiful, and it is a cushion cut. Now, this stone, the center stone, is much smaller than what I would typically wear. But I think it is very pretty. I think it's at least a 1/2 carat, I don't think, or maybe even 3/4 of a carat. I don't think it's a full carat size, but I absolutely love it. And again, this is moissanite. This ring currently retails for $229, but if you pick it up for Black Friday, you can get it for $199. Depending on the discount code that you use, of course. So that is the first ring that I picked up. And then the second piece that I picked up, and as you can see inside the box, it does say MsBlue Jewelry. This is a very nice box. It feels like either really hard plastic or wood, but it does make for a really good gift presentation. The second ring that I picked up, this is a 1.65 carat princess cut moissanite half eternity band. And I chose this, you guys, because I didn't want something to wrap all the way around my finger and kind of just irritate me. So this is what they look like together. Now, it was my own mistake. I ordered these in a size that is slightly too big, but I feel like it is a great fit regardless, or it looks nice regardless, but it could be a tad bit smaller. And I think that is absolutely feminine, and I like how sleek it is. I think it's a very good fit for me. Now, what I did decide, because it was a little bit large on my right hand, to maybe wear it on my left, or it was a little bit large on my left hand, so I think it would also be a good fit on my right hand. And so here are the rings on each hand. So if you pick up a set, something like this, you guys, you could wear them separately or you could wear them together. The good thing about lab created jewelry, you guys, let's say you're going on a trip and you don't want to take your expensive real jewelry with you. I highly recommend wearing or purchasing something like this as an alternative where you can enjoy your vacation and not worry about your real diamonds. I very often wear a ring that is not diamonds at all. It is something lab created that I purchased from QVC years ago. So that's actually the ring that you guys see me wearing most often in my videos. But I absolutely love these. And to protect the jewelry, I do take it off when I wash my hands to just keep it in good condition. Now, the second item, which is in this box here, is actually a part of their Blue for Pink campaign, as their bag says there. And this is created in support of breast cancer awareness. And this is a part of their Faith Over Fear jewelry collection. And so it does come with this little card, which I placed in the box. And again, this piece did come in a little plastic jewelry bag, but I placed it in here just so you guys can get a good idea and see what kind of presentation you can have for your loved one or for yourself if you choose to purchase this. And so this is a lab created pink sapphire ring, I believe. If that is not the correct stone, I will correct that on the screen, but it reminds me of pink sapphires. But again, these stones are lab created, and this is a rose gold chain. Now, these rings that I purchased, you guys, this happens to be yellow gold plated. I'm certain it's not real gold, but it is plated 14 karat. As you can see, the pendant itself is kind of small, but I think that's also trending right now. A lot of the pieces from the other retailers that specialize in blue boxes, they do have a lot of pendants that are tiny and delicate. So I think this is very trendy and on point for what a lot of folks are wearing now. And you guys know I absolutely love the color pink. So I didn't get to share this past October for breast cancer awareness, but I did want to let you all know that it is an option. I think this would be a great gift for anyone who is battling breast cancer, or for any survivors, or just to show your support in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of these pieces, please let me know. Don't hesitate to reach out. And I think it is a good buy. It is a good value, you guys. It is what I would consider to be, for sure, affordable luxury. You definitely get the look for less with these pieces. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.